If you're new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna do an unboxing of my V8. Stay tuned! Maybe, let's see, we'll find it. It's condenser. Wow. Let's try. This is the one you can sing here. I think I like it, come on. Wow, gold. It's like my ring, huh?
Let me see one more time. One more time, let's see. Do your ring.
Look, looks like my ring. Gold, huh? What? I have this. This is like the one that I bought before, remember? But it's different kind because it has some... Where do you do this? Okay, so here. What? I don't have space for my desk. So much stuff in there. How do you think? I'll put this. Hello, hello! Mega love shout out! Oh my goodness. How do you take it out? This is my present.
You gotta push it down.
Like that?
Push it and then pull.
Push it. Wow. Very good. How do you know?
It's not rocket science.
And then this one is to attach to my desk. Wow, this is the one I want. This makes the noise. I have the V8, guys. Come on. The lap HA. There's the gunshots. What? Okay. Applause, laughter, giggle. Oh. There's a giggle. Yeah. I don't have to do it. This guy will do it for me. He's gonna yell at you. Yeah, it's like a sound card with a sound card for live streaming. Ooh. It says charging, live 1, live 2, backing track. I'm gonna try it first if this is gonna work. Condenser, and then you can return it how many times? Run it when you don't want it. This is the protection for the microphone. Cords, additional cord, and this one is the headphone. I don't think I need this headphone. I have AirPods. And this one is additional cable. And this is the... What is this holder? To hold it when I set it up. Looks good. Oh, and this one is for the microphone right here. Oh, I thought it was gold. No, it's not gold. Gonna have to put the sleeves. What do you call the sleeves? I think it is the sleeves. Sake, I'm gonna learn how to sing for you guys. Hello, mega love shout out. Oh. I know how to sing. Phone is working. Too much adjustment.
I don't know what this is for.
Even though it's messy.
What's the...
They have this. You can change my voice in there. Look. Wow, installing it. I hope I like it. Thank you, Haman. Shout out to Haman.
It's okay because this is just so that you don't spit in the mic.
Okay. Wow. It's nice.
Either like this, or you can take it out like this. And usually people put it under.
Oh yeah, I think it's better. It's better that way. I think it's too big.
It's too big for me.
Maybe you should put it over there. It's on the way, anak. It's my fancy computer. Wow. That's so cool. Yeah, like that. I don't like it too high. You can adjust it, right? Like that.
Yeah.
What's wrong?
It's not good to have this low like this.
So now it is connected. I tried to use it once already. Okay, so this is the microphone. You can bend it like that. This one here. Too many wires in there. It's all set up. It's just so messy here right now. Finally, I'll figure it out. This V8. Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna try it again when I get a chance. Maybe later. Microphone is cool. I can sing. I don't have a practice anymore, so it looks like I'm gonna have to use it. Oh, look at that. I'm watching a video of, who's that? Dwayne Taylor. Shout out to Dwayne Taylor. Okay, this is my computer. Too many wires. I have to clean up here. Later I'll do it. Okay. Yeah. This microphone is yellow. I just put the sleeves. I tried it. It works. But I still need to practice. Okay, guys. And this computer is perfect here. It's huge. It matches my stuff all together. Okay. Yeah. Some people, they do it this way. Try it like that. This is just a protection so you don't get your saliva in the microphone, I guess. Just like that. Peanut is me. Peanut is so cute. He loves me. He always sleep with me. See? Peanut. Oh, Yuki. Look at her. Peanut butter. Peanut, you see it? Can you peek? Oh, what happened? You hear that? Oh, they dropped something upstairs. Do I look like Peanut's mommy? Peanut, where's your toy? Peanut, where's your toy? Look at me. Hi guys. Peanut loves me. Good, you're in the box with Kuya. Peanut. Get off. Peanut. Jelly, go over there. Because Arjo was there earlier.
Ina. You like your ball?
Look here.
Why are you sleeping now? Very bad.
Let him sleep. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.